I only have these 2 really bad squishies. Maybe I could scam someone at the trading hub. Man, I really want some squishies. I mean, he has some pretty good stuff, but no one's gonna really trade anything. Wait, maybe if I push its head in, it will look like the viral glitter dream drop. Trading viral dream drop and egg, Nito. Oh my god, me! What am I gonna offer? Okay, the needle pup. Okay, Split Spot.
Add.
Oh my god. The duck.
They're so rare.
Oh, I love my fuzzball. The fuzzball, Nito.
Okay, maybe I can scam her for a couple more things. Add.
Fine, this rainbow squishy, it's really good. And this mochi.
Ew, and the squishy is so disgusting. No, add. I want that baguette.
Fine, the baguette.
Okay, accept.
Yes! Wait! No!